Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to use your Chromebook in Kiosk mode for a single app experience. First, make sure your Chromebook is managed or that you have admin access. Then, sign out of your account and click on the time in the bottom right corner. Select Settings, go to Advanced, and choose Developers. Enable Kiosk settings and add the app you want to run in Kiosk mode from the Chrome Web Store. After adding it, sign out again, and on the login screen, select the Kiosk app you just installed. The Chromebook will now launch directly into that app, restricting access to other apps or settings. Kiosk mode is perfect for public displays, exams, or single-purpose devices, keeping users focused and the system secure. Subscribe the channel for more videos.